Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by protecting your data and choosing the non-invasive approach, masking. First, back up your iPhone to iCloud or Finder. Once done, make sure your battery is above 50% and you know your Apple ID password. Open a wallpaper editor and import a full-resolution screenshot from your device. Crop a solid black bar that matches the dynamic island height. This hides the cutout visually. Once done, save the image and prepare to apply it to both lock and home screens. Now you'll create and apply the mask so the island appears removed. Open the editor with a 2796 by 1290 canvas or a device screenshot. Position a black rectangle precisely over the island area and feathers 0% for a sharp edge. Export the image at full quality, then go to Settings Wallpaper and choose the new image for both lock and home. Make sure depth and perspective options are off so the mask stays aligned during use. For a permanent removal, you can consider a jailbreak tweak that disables Dynamic Island, but that voids warranty and increases security risk. Only advanced users should proceed. If the wallpaper mask looks misaligned, reopen the editor and nudge the black bar by a few pixels, then reapply. Make sure perspective is off. If things still go wrong, restart the phone and recheck screen zoom and display settings. One key troubleshooting tip: re-export at native resolution to avoid scaling artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.